So you are welcome back. If you've been following me, you hear me talk a lot about Achieve by Petra, either on any of my social media platforms. So today I'm here for us to actually know how we can invest in it, some of the investment products this particular Achieve by Petra comes with, and also how you can actually put in your money in order to align with that of your financial goals. So let's get right into it. My name is Hamdawi. Kindly follow this particular channel in order to have future videos like this. So first thing first is for us to understand what Achieve by Petra is. So if you look at Achieve by Petra, it's just an investment app which is being powered by an investment firm called Petra Securities. And the investment firm is actually an asset management firm. And Petra Securities come with this particular app called Achieve by Petra. And one thing I like about this particular app is that regardless of your financial goal, they have a product that can service that. So if you take a look at it, if you have a long-term financial goal, this particular app can be able to serve that. If you have a medium-term financial goal, it can be able to serve that. And also short-term financial goal. We'll get into that so that I'll tell you some of the products that align with that of long-term, some of the products that align with short-term and also medium-term. Right. So first thing first, if we are to ask ourselves, is Achieve by Petra a legit app in order for you to use as an investment? Yes, the answer is just yes, simply because it's been licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. Right. Achieve by Petra, like I said, is being powered by Petra Securities, which is an asset management firm. And this particular asset management firm, they have fund managers which are licensed by the Securities and Exchange Commission. So let's get right into it and know how we can invest in Achieve by Petra. So currently, Achieve by Petra run 5 investment products from where I sit and what I know. And if you also know any other thing, you can put it in the comment section. So if you take a look at the app, they have an option where you can actually use to invest in that of Diggy Safe, an option you can use to invest in that of Eurobonds, an option you can use to invest in that of Plus Balance Fund, and also an option you can actually use to invest in global tech. So we'll get into it and we'll actually look at all these things, how you can actually get into it and invest in it. Right. So first thing first, let's look at Diggy Safe. So Diggy Safe is an alternative to savings, which is a mutual fund being powered by this particular Achieve by Petra, and it's just a money market mutual fund. So what they does is that they take your money as an investor and they invest it in that of treasury bill, fixed deposit, and that of government bonds. So they invest it in fixed incomes in order to generate some amounts of money for you. And if you take a look at this particular Diggy Safe, in 2024, they made a very good impression with the investment return. They were able to make about 20.2%, and also in 2025, they were able to make 17.17%. To invest in Diggy Safe, all you need is just 20 Ghana cedis, and I'll illustrate that going forward in this particular video. So with Diggy Safe, if you have a short to medium term goals, you can actually go into that of Diggy Safe. That is, if you are investing your money for just a month, 2 months, 3 months, or even 1 year, or probably if you want to extend it to that of 2 years, I would suggest that you should go by Diggy Safe. And also the second investment product they also have is also called Eurobond Trust. And this particular Eurobond Trust is designed in a way that they take your money as an investor and they put it in that of dollar denominated Eurobonds. And at the end of the day, some yields comes in and you'll be able to benefit. 2024, they were able to make 25.75% returns. And it's expected that you should keep this particular Eurobond for at least a period of 2 to 3 years. So if you have a medium term to long term goal, then you can actually go for that of Eurobond. And actually, if you take a look at how it's been designed, you get to realize that it's actually one of the investment products that can well serve you, especially if you are looking for medium to long term investment, right? And this particular Eurobonds doesn't necessarily mean that they are investing your money into that of the government of Ghana Eurobond, the one they gave us a haircut, not necessarily, but this one is just the dollar denominated Eurobonds. The third investment product they also have in this particular Achieve by Petra is called Balance Fund. And Balance Fund is also a mutual fund where they combine that of an equity mutual fund and that of the money market mutual fund. So they take your money as an investor and they invest it in that of fixed income like treasury bill, deposit, government bonds, and the rest, right? And also part of the money or percentage of the money too is being invested in that of equities. And at the end of the day, returns comes in. They combine this particular tool with the help of the fund manager and they look at to investment that can bring good returns for you as an investor. So this particular mutual fund too has been doing well. In 2024, it made a return of 38.68%, and also 2025 it made a return of 17%. The return has dropped simply because of that of the inflation rate has dropped in that of the country. So Ghana, if you are looking currently in 2025, our inflation rate dropped massively, and like I said, part of the money they invest it in that of fixed income, and the fixed incomes widely has to do with treasury bills. So because treasury bill rate has dropped, that is the reason why some of this particular rate too has dropped. And with balance fund, it's expected that you should keep your money for at least 3 years. Even though if you save your money in it, you can actually withdraw it at any point in time, but it will come with some penalties. But it's actually recommended that you should keep this particular investment for at least 3 years in order to reap the full benefit. The fourth investment product they also have is also called Global Tech, and Global Tech is an equity mutual fund. So with this, they take your money as an investor, and what they invest in is that they invest it in that of global technological companies, right? Technological companies such as Amazon, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, Meta. These are some of the companies that they invest their money into. And at the end of the day, the returns that comes in, you all share it across. And this particular product is expected for you to keep it for a very long time. That is, if you are looking for long-term goals. So if you actually look at all the products they have, you realize that this particular products they have, it cut across. And the fifth product they also have is called fixed investment. And fixed investments is more or less like an alternative to that of treasury bills, right? So they also comes with 91 days fixed invest. They comes with 181 days fixed invest, and also they comes with 364 days fixed invest. So all these, you also look at it. Let's say you have a money, then you don't really want to spend the money within 91 days. Instead of going for treasury bills, you can actually invest it in that of fixed invest. And the interesting part is that the interest rate when it comes to this particular fixed invest is slightly above that of the government treasury bills that we all know. So I think it's one of the plus when it comes to investing in that of this particular Achieve by Petra fixed invest. So let's get into it and check how we can actually invest in any of these particular investment products that I've mentioned. So what you have to do first thing first is for you to take your phone, then go through the process, download Achieve by Petra as an app, sign up with Achieve by Petra, and once you are signed up, you are good to go. So I'll leave the link on how you can sign up in my description. Just click on it. It will direct you to download the app, and at the end of the day, you should be able to sign up. It's as simple as ABCD. So when you are done, you open the app. So if you open the app as a first time user, just like I said, go through the registration process. But for me, I am a returning user, so what I will just have to do is for me to log into the app. So if I log into the app, this is how the interface will look like. And if you look at this, you currently see that it has 4 options down there. So what you have to do is for you to click on the Explore option. So if you look at the Explore, you see flexible investments. You also see group. You also see goals, and also you see fixed investment. So all this comes with their own packages. So if you look at flexible investment, these are the first 4 products that we've talked about. If you look at groups, you can actually create a group in order to invest as a group. Let's say you can give yourself a target in order to create a group, and at the end of the day, you all be looking at achieving that particular goal. And also there's a goal investment, and that particular goal investment is you setting yourself a target. By the end of the year, I actually want to save 10,000 Ghana cedis, and because I don't want to put it in that of my mobile money or my bank accounts, I'll have to use Achieve by Petra. And when you use that, you can actually use this particular goal to set that particular target for yourself, and you'll be investing towards it. You can make it in a way that each and every month they will deduct the money automatically. You can give that particular standing order. And the last one is the fixed investment, where you can actually use it to invest in that of the an alternative to that of treasury bills. So let's go into flexible investment. So if you tap on it, you see Diggy Safe, you see the Eurobond, you also see the Enhanced Equity Beta Fund, that is the Global Tech that I've spoken about, and also you see the Plus Balance Fund. So let's pretend as if you are investing in that of Diggy Safe. So just click on continue. You can tap on it, and when you tap on it, each of them has their own colors. Diggy Safe is green. Let's click on continue. So when you click on continue, they'll ask you, do you have an investment target? For here, we don't have any investment target, but if you do, just say yes and you set the investment target. So let's say no, then click on proceed. So when you click on proceed and it comes, they ask you, type your name your investment. So if you want to name it, you can actually name it with any name. So you can just quickly write Hamdaway as your investment name, or probably let's say you want to buy a car, you can type it car as your investment name, then you click on proceed. So when you click on proceed, it creates that particular portfolio for you. So now they are telling you that your investment account is ready and you need 20 Ghana cedis, just like I said. So the minimum amount of money you can actually invest with the Diggy Safe is 20 Ghana cedis, but for the rest of the other options is 100 Ghana cedis. So let's click on continue to see what it holds for us. So when you click on continue, it takes you to put in any of the payment methods. So let's click on mobile money. So you can add any number as your mobile money number. For me, I have all my numbers already into it. So I'll just click on continue, and when it comes, I'll submit for payment to be approved. So when it comes, my mobile money, so quickly I will just input that of my Momo pin and approve the transaction. So when I approve the transaction, it comes and I confirm my transaction. So when I confirm the transaction, they said kindly note that deposit can be withdrawn after 3 working days, right? So if you deposit your money into it for the first time, you can withdraw it only on 3 working days. And sometimes this particular Achieve by Petra, if you want to withdraw any money into it, especially the Diggy Safe, if you initiate a withdrawal, it usually comes in the evening, and to take in a working day for it to come. So if you initiate a withdrawal on that of weekend, you will not be able to withdraw the money. But if you initiate a withdrawal on that of working days, that is from a weekday, that is from Monday to that of Friday, you should be able to withdraw the money by the end of the day. It's as simple as ABCD. So this is just a step-by-step process in order to invest any money in that of Achieve by Petra and some of the investment products that they have. My name is Hamdaway. If you like this content, please consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit on the like button for a lot of people to join us. Cheers up.